So today I'm going to hike in Kirk Creek Trail. It's in Lost Parade National Forest.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, nah.
So pretty.
Are you saying that to change your mind?
I think this is called the Espinosa campsite.
Cause your love made me go blind.
Lab น้ำตก seasoning mix เทใส่มันลงไป Hi everyone! So today I'm going to hike in Kirk Creek Trail. It's in Lost Parade National Forest.
Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made
It's already giving up. Wow! On the left side over here, you can see like the whole view. But just make sure and pay attention to the trail. So pretty. Look, I found a lake. Look like the deer lake or something. From my point of view here, I can see people hiking up. That's a long way. เพิ่งหนีไป I just wonder how far this trail gonna take me. So tired, right? But we're gonna move on. Let's go.
Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know. Nah, nah, now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back.
It's over here, look like it used to be a creek. When the rains come,
Like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
I think I just found the campsite area. I think this is called the Espinosa. It is a flat area, flat land. Here it's definitely you can set up the tent. Another site, the second site. Oh, look at the view in front of you here. That's awesome. This is where I'm going to eat my lunch here.
How could we let love go? How could we move on? Why you wanna let me go? Nah, nah, now. Are you saying that to change your mind?
Ooh, smell really good, my instinct noodles. Whoa. Cheers.
Why are you playing?
Mm.
This is the best instant noodle that I ever tasted.
Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out. I'm about to lose my mind again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we
เกือบหมดเลยอะ
move on?
อร่อย
You wanna let me go now, now. Are you saying that to change your mind? Forever
Very
baby,
good.
let me know
Okay,
now, now,
mission
now.
accomplished.
'Cause your
Espinosa
love
Campsite, Los Padres,
baby, go
National
blind.
Forest, Big Sur.
Why you wanna let me go now, now, now?
Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you guys like my video, don't forget to hit like, hit share, and hit the subscribe button below so you can see my next Tom Where You Go to Big Sur. Goodbye.
Forever, baby, let me know. 'Cause your love, baby, baby, go blind. Why are you changing your mind? Nah, 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 we ain't got the time.
I'm so super tired.